Hi everyone, welcome to the video. We are going to solve Recamans sequence. In this question, you are given a number n. You have to calculate the Recaman sequence till n number. Okay, n number equal Recaman sequence. And the first number of this sequence will always be 0, which is f of 0 will be always 0. For further calculation, there is a simple condition. For any number x, okay, first you have to calculate f of x minus 1 minus x. Okay, if this f of x minus 1 minus x is positive and is not already present in our result array in our sequence, I will repeat again. For any index x, if f of x minus 1 minus x is positive and not already present in a result array, we will add that number which will just formed to the result array. Okay, that result array. Cool. But if this number f of x minus 1 minus x is negative or is already present, okay, then we will just do f of x minus 1 plus x. We'll replace minus x to plus x and we will add that number to the array, that number to the result array. Cool. I will repeat once again. For any index fx, then fx will be f of x minus 1 minus x. It should be positive and not already present in the result array. If the condition, both the conditions are met, add this number to the array. We have found the f of x number. If either this number is present already or is negative, then we will just do f of x minus 1 plus x. Okay, and whatever number will be formed from this sequence, from this calculation, we will add that number to the result array. Now that we have got our approach, I will do the solution. So starting with the result, I will append 0 because as you all know that the zeroth number f of 0 will always be 0. Cool. Now I will create a dictionary to hold position of all the visited elements, all the elements which are already there in the result array. Cool. Then a last variable which will hold the calculation of last number because we need for any fx we need f of x minus 1. Okay, f of x minus 1. Cool. And now I equals to 1 because we will start from index 1, not index 0. We'll go on. Okay, and this is the number. This will be number for any for any n. Okay, for the current number, this will I will give us. Now, while such I is less than n, while I is less than n, why I less than n not equal to n? Because see, for any number n, any number n, for any sequence n, you have to start from a0. Okay, so you will only go till n minus 1 and not n. Okay, because you already have zeroth index. Okay, now start. So first condition, if last minus I, which is f of x minus 1 minus x. Okay, if last minus I greater than equal to 0 and last minus I not in dictionary. If last minus I is positive and is not in dictionary, not already visited, subtract last the I. Subtract I with the last number. If that is not the case, then we'll have to do last plus equal to I. Okay. In whatever conditions we are getting, we will just mark this number as visited. Mark this number as visited, and we will add this number to the result array. Add this number to the result array. Cool. We will increment I with 1, and at the end we will return our result. Now that we have calculated everything. Okay, now that we have calculated everything. Okay, yeah, it is able to do the job pretty effortlessly. Okay, so I hope you may have understood better with this flowchart which I created to make you understand. This question is pretty easy and simple mathematics and nothing more. And apart from that, I will also add a Medium article which I wrote to solve this question so that you will get a better understanding about approach and solution. So I hope you liked it. Thank you. Have a nice day.